In 2021, we left our good-paying jobs close to the city of Philadelphia and headed for a country life in the mountains of West Virginia. We had a piece of land, a camper, a dream, and each other. Since then, we've worked hard to start our life here, and we're taking on the biggest challenge of our lives, finishing our Barndominium dream home. Our biggest hope is to inspire others through our journey, because it is possible to follow your dreams. Welcome back, guys. We have now finished 95% of our electrical rough-in. We've gotten all of the inside wiring done. The outside electrical boxes are now installed, and we've even installed our disconnect boxes for our mini split systems. Now all that's left is to finish up the breaker panel. I just have to share with you how exciting it has been to take on electrical as a DIY for us. That was not originally part of our plan. We 100% were going to sub out electrical work. But things changed, and as things changed, we rose to the occasion and decided to tackle electrical ourselves. We've had the help of someone that's willing to give us some advice and mentor us whenever we have questions. And of course, we bought all the electrical code books and we look up whatever we can online when the answers are available that way. So we've really tackled this whole electrical in our house, I feel like, fairly well. We've caught a couple mistakes we've done and we've been able to fix them. And I'm super proud. It's been such a great experience to learn this and do it on our own. Okay, so I am going to continue wiring this panel and getting all the breakers installed. But one of the things when we started running all the home runs back here to this area, we knew we were going to have to add additional supports in here. We'll get them nice and neat and secure so that we're within code compliance, and then we'll be able to finish running them all the way to the breaker panel box and get everything completed here. So that's what I'm going to do real quick, is just get these couple 2x4s in so we have our supports that we need. right, so here are my mamas that are sitting on some eggs. They're sitting on about 20 eggs. And they share the duties of sitting on these eggs and keeping them warm. Sometimes there's 2 hens in here, sometimes there's 3. So this is Luca, our main rooster. We have 7 roosters in total and 14 hens. Hi, Luca. Saying hello to the camera? He's a good boy. All right, so I am going to be working on the rest of the breaker panel. There's not a whole lot left to do, which is exciting. What started as a mess of what looks like tangled wires that we just pulled all the way over here turned into this wonderful, organized breaker panel. It is so exciting to see this transformation. I love this kind of thing. And again, just the sense of pride knowing that I did this. I was able to do this on my own, and it's something I never thought I could. So if we can do it, guys, so can you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and join along. We'll see you guys next time.